Thanks.
Hello, Heaven Technologies Limited. Yeah, I am from HR. How can I help you? Openings? Yeah, we do have openings for some freshly dyed people. And we are also doing lateral recruitment for some experienced wandering ghosts. Qualification? Oh, you have to die hard for that. Okay, thank you.
டாடி மம்மி வீட்டில் இல்ல தடபோட யாரும் இல்ல விளையாடு போமா உள்ள வில்லாடா
Hello, young man.
Hi, myself Alpha Pandey.
Hi, I am from HR. How can I help you?
I am from planet Earth, freshly died.
Oh.
10 years ago, few people came to Earth and selected me to come to heaven.
Oh, you were the one we hired on one of our campus drive. So finally you have died. Welcome to heaven.
Heaven? Is this really heaven?
Yeah.
Because I was roaming on ground floor and saw some apsaras walking.
Oh.
But if I see this place, I don't see anybody resembling apsaras.
Wonderful. We'll do some joining formalities today and then we'll transform you from a human being to a resource.
Resource? Why are you calling me resource? Is your HR department for humans or resources?
We actually specialize in transforming human beings to resources. Being a resource is a different experience altogether. You will enjoy. Yeah. Okay, come, I'll show you your salary room.
Salary room? You have a room for salary?
Yeah, come. See, this is your salary.
Wow! A room full with money! I am sure I am in heaven now.
Happy?
Yeah.
Yeah, come. I'll take you and I'll introduce you to your buddy and he will take you to the floor and will introduce you to his floor functions.
Buddy.
Yeah, come. Hello, Beta.
Hi.
Meet Alpha. He has freshly died and joined us today only in heaven.
Wow, freshly died. Welcome, Alpha.
Thanks.
So you just take him to the floor and introduce him to the floor functions. I'll meet you guys later. Bye, Alpha.
Hi. So, Alpha, where are you from?
I am from Gurgaon.
Gurgaon, Millennium City. Anything new? Since I died long time ago, things must be different now.
Yeah, there are many things which have changed and people in Gurgaon now no more say, go to hell.
Really? Gurgaon people turned polite? How did that happen?
No, when they are already in hell, why they have to say that? Go to hell.
You are funny.
And what is that room and why are all the people here looking alike?
Oh, all these are resources. Soon you will be a part of this. Resource is a special breed. They might not eat for days, but they can't live without checking email accounts and Facebook accounts. Look at that guy.
Huh?
He's a BA.
Oh,
He's responsible for confusing people with Excel sheets and some round diagrams. Yeah. And the girl staring at the black screen with green and red text, she is a developer.
okay.
She is modern Da Vinci.
Oh.
She writes code
Oh.
and creates employment for testers.
Tester? Tester.
Testers create employment for developers. They
Okay.
work in a collaborative manner. Some people are missing though, they are WFH.
WFH? What does that mean?
WFH means different to different people.
Okay.
To some it means working from home and to some it means working from home.
Okay. And what is that room? At corner?
Nice observation I must say. That is a library.
Okay.
Nobody goes there these days. We are
That's
thinking
true.
of turning that
That's
room
true.
into a recreation room.
Okay.
People these days are more interested in boxing than in reading.
Okay. And I saw that, is that a canteen?
Oh yeah, that's a canteen. We call it Heaven Teen.
Haven't been, but I haven't seen food there.
Why do you need food? Don't forget you are a resource.
Okay, but I need food.
Don't angry me, else I'll ask you to fill out 2 extra timesheets.
Oh, time. Okay, last question. Who is that unique lady sitting in big cubicle?
Oh. This is altogether a different breed. She's RR6.
RR6.
Let me introduce you to her. Hello RR6. Meet her freshly dyed resource, Mr. Alpha. I have a meeting now. May I leave now? Thank you.
Hello, young man. Welcome to heaven. How did you find this place?
Oh, the place is nice otherwise, but I have a question. Why they call you RR6? Because it sounds like some new kind of H1B1 flu. RR6.
Possibly to show respect.
Oh, we can show respect by working harder and smarter. I don't think anybody should be addressed by his or her salary grade, and more than that.
Whatever. You can call me supervisor.
Okay, supervisor, I have another question. Why are some people running on treadmill and doing aerobics? Are we sending them to Olympics?
This is a new trend. We are trying to make them agile. Sooner they deliver the business value, faster we grow. Well, there are some other good things in heaven, Alpha. We have one heaven policy. We have no discrimination is done, and we are proud of this tradition. We care, and we have flexi hours policy. You can come and leave office anytime.
Flexi yaar, can I come office late and leave by lunchtime?
No, you cannot do this. Even if this is heaven, this is not a parliament. Well, I have a meeting. Find a place for yourself.
Thank you. It's been almost a month, last day, salary day, but haven't received message since morning. Must go to HR. Excuse me?
Hello Alpha, how are you doing?
I am doing fine, but today I did not receive my salary.
Oh, come along with me.
You forgot?
Yeah, come. Go and pick as much as you can.
Pick? You said my salary is room filled with money. Now you are saying pick?
My dear friend, room filled with money is your cost to the company, which is your gross salary. Whatever you can take is your take home, which is your net salary. Take home and enjoy.
Take home? How can somebody take home in this salary? I could barely manage my home rent. In hand, take home. Even after coming to heaven, do I have to worry for this? In hand, I must call my friend in health technology services. Hello Delta, Alpha this side from heaven. How are you doing? Fine. And how is the hell? Better than Gurgaon. Okay, heaven. No, the place is not actually like heaven. The word is misleading. No, they did not fool me. See, if Apple Computers does not sell fruits, Windows is not a furniture company, then how can you expect Heaven Technology Services to be a heaven? The place is nice otherwise. We have HR department here. A cute HR girl transformed me into a resource. I don't feel emotions anymore. We also have buddies. Yeah, they are after my life for time sheet. Since morning till evening, time sheet. We also have RR6s. No, they are not mobile phones. They are actually people. Yeah. Oh, she calls herself RR6 because she is respected resource 6. Yeah, but I feel she is rowdy resource 6. Yeah, and you know she is responsible for our appraisal. You don't know appraisal? Oh, appraisal is a fruit that ripes twice a year. And only God in heaven knows who gets what. And I hope after this act, 4 of us are going to get a good one.